Yep. Welcome back to fumbling around and don't know what we're doing. So welcome back, YouTube. Well, I'm getting a lot of rain. As y'all can tell, and it's finna rain again. But that June 1st is today. And we need to make it happen. So this morning we got a couple of trees down with these storms that done blew through. And it just so happened we need a piece of wood to put up under the tractor tire. So we're gonna go cut one of these trees up and get a little block so we can set this tractor tire up. And then yeah, push the rest of the trees out the field. Probably have to wait on that, it's a little wet. We're gonna go back there and see. But yeah, stay tuned. Appreciate y'all for tuning in.
Catch the notch. Alright.
See what we do.
Hold on. Alright.
Hold on, let me get another grip.
Not yet. You got it. Alright. Hanging on the bar, links, ain't it? Roll it up there again and I'm gonna hold it.
We couldn't find no breaking down 6400 tractor tire videos. Make our own. Open the door up, set it in there.
Yeah, I did. Which way? Go tighten or loosen?
Tighten. So basically, tire has a wedge holding it together. So it's one wedge right here. These 3 bolts go to the front wedge, another wedge on that side. You can kind of see the split. 3 more bolts on the back side. These 2 in there, they're pushers to push the wedge back, but we ain't having much success. We're gonna keep going now.
You got them tight or loose?
Look. I thought it did.
Get both. Push it again, that's it.
Turn your screw it now.
I can get it
You
off.
can take this wedge out. Like you said, just make sure it don't hit your toe.
I know it's heavy.
Heavy, boy. That's 1/2 of the wedge what you're looking for. You see it got the guide bar in it. That's what's holding it to the axle. That's where we've been spraying penetrating oil through there. And now you can see one side of it missing, and now the wheel is just on there. You gonna turn that bolt from them? What, you gonna try to bring it all the way off with it?
Well, you might have to walk that one on.
What you talking about? Just walk it off the rest of the way? You gonna take your snap ring off?
Like it ought to go over the snap ring from here. Let me get everything back off it. It hit the ground. It's gonna hit the ground.
Gonna go boom.
Huh? And came up off our block.
The wood?
Move it and see. Let's see. Shake it. Ain't nothing on it, is it?
Not tall.
Let's bump it on. I just don't want it hanging on the jack. Can you take the sledgehammer and knock it on under there?
That's what happened now. It's finally up high enough for our block.
Oh, it's up high enough now?
Yeah, but I need to...
You want the sledgehammer to hit it? Or don't crawl up under.
No, what's wrong with
You got it?
it? Get it a little bit more right there. It's right up under the running.
Oh, let all our antifreeze come out. Push it on a little more toward me. That'll make it easier for us to handle. A little more to the bottom all the way. That'll give our block chance to. That'll make it easier for us to handle.
Oh, did you remember to put some back in there?
Yeah. We're gonna put calcium, we're gonna put some winter weight windshield washer fluid.
Or antifreeze.
Antifreeze corrosive to the metal sometimes. Windshield washer fluid. Winter version.
Water.
Water free.
It come off of there.
It's off.
It's off. The weatherman told me it's gonna rain today, and I wasn't gonna be hot. He lied too.
He lied in both occasions.
I'm
gonna jack up a little bit.
I just got me something right there for now.
I like this.
aggressive. I can't mess with you.
I didn't smell it. The cow's trying to figure out who Luna is. It's Luna's first day, second day on the farm.